Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to increase touchpad speed on your Chromebook. The first thing you'll need to do is go down to the bottom right hand corner and you're going to tap right where you see the time. Then you're going to tap on the settings cog right here. And from here, you're going to go over to the left hand corner and you're going to tap on device. Then you're going to select touchpad and you'll see touchpad speed. And as you can see here, you can simply toggle along the line to increase the speed. And if you like to decrease the speed, you can carry it back. And that's it. That's how to increase or decrease the speed of your touchpad on your Chromebook. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.